Hello students, welcome back. In my last video I have completed exercise 4.3 question number 8. Here in this video I will be solving exercise 4.3 question number 9. So let's read the question first. Two water taps together fill a tank in 9 complete 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Here two tanks, one has large diameter, another has smaller diameter. So they both can fill the tank in 9 complete 3/8 hours, and the smaller one takes, the larger one takes 10 hours less from the smaller one. You are to find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Okay. So solution, let's start the solution. So now let the time taken by smaller tap, I let the time taken by the smaller tap is x hours, and then the time taken by the larger tap, what will be the time taken by the larger tap? It takes 10 hours less, larger take 10 hours less from the smaller one, that is x minus 10 hours, and it is also given time taken to fill the tank together is 9 complete 3/8 hours. So 9 8s are 72 plus 3 75 by 8 hours. Okay. Now I write part of tank filled by smaller tap in 1 hour. So if the total time taken to fill the smaller tap is x hours, then it will fill in 1 hour. Simply just inverse the total is, that is x 1 by x hours. Exactly like this, the larger tap will be total time taken is x by x minus 10, then in 1 hour it will fill the tank is 1 by x minus 10, and also together they can fill in 1 hour will be 75 by 8, inverse of 75 by 8 is 8 by 75 hours. Okay. Now I can write here 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 equal to 8 by 75. Part of tank filled by smaller tap in 1 hour and by larger tap in 1 hour equal to both the taps filled in 1 hour. Okay. Now I will solve it and make a quadratic equation. Okay. Here LCM will be x into x minus 10, x minus 10 plus 1 into x equal to 8 by 75. X into x, x square minus 10x, x plus x 2x minus 10 equal to 8 by 75. Now cross multiply this one, 75 with this and 8 with this. We get 75 into 2x minus 10 and 8 into x square minus 10x. Okay. Now 75 into 2 150, 75 tens are 750, minus is there equal to 8 into x square 8x square minus 8 tens are 80x. Okay. Now 8x square minus 80x equal to this and this, a equal to b and b equal to a, same thing, 8x square minus 80x minus 150 plus 750 equal to 0. Now 8x square 15 plus 8 23 230x plus 750 equal to 0. Now I will multiply this two, because this is in the form ax square plus bx plus c. Now I will multiply a into c, that is 8x 75 into 8, 8 5s are 40, 0 carry 4, 8 7s are 56, 600 1 0 is there, so 6000. Okay. Now you see you get 230. So if you add 200 plus 30 you get 230, and if you multiply this to 200 into 30 you get 6000. A into c, here you get the middle term. Okay. So now I can easily write here 8x square minus 200x minus 30x plus 750 equal to 0. From this two I will take common, 8x x minus 25, 8s are 200, okay, minus 30 will be common, x minus 25, 25 3s are 750, minus minus plus equal to 0. Now x minus 25 and 8x minus 30 equal to 0. So x minus 25 equal to 0 and 8x minus 30 equal to 0. So the value of x will be 25 and x equal to 30, 8 is there, so 30 by 8. These are the two values. Now let the time taken by smaller tape is x hours. Now I will write. Now you look here, the time taken by smaller tape, get the two values, x is 30 by 8, x is 25. So first you try to put the value of larger tape. The larger tape is x minus 10. So if I put the value of 30 by 8, okay, I get the negative value. So time cannot be negative. So I have to put the value of x equal to 25. Okay. So you write here 25 minus 10, that is 15, and the x will be 25 hours. So the time taken by smaller tape will be 25 hours and the time taken by larger tape will be 15 hours. So that's all for today. Thank you.